This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Remsburg. Welcome home. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom heated pool/SBA home is a true gem nestled in a sought-after, established community in Clermont's rolling hills. Combining luxury, comfort, and functionality, this property offers an ideal space for multi-generational living, relaxation, and entertaining. With a sparkling pool, spa, and an outdoor kitchen that will make any chef's dream come true, this home is an entertainer's paradise. Come and see how this stunning property can be the perfect fit for your family. New roof, 2025, water heater, 2024, range and microwave, 2024, washer, 2023. The spacious open floor plan offers a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, ideal for entertaining or everyday family living. Fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, and a large island, the outdoor kitchen extends the culinary possibilities to the gorgeous patio, perfect for BBQs and dining al fresco. Relax in your own backyard paradise. Enjoy a sparkling pool and spa, with plenty of space for lounging, entertaining, or just enjoying the tranquility of nature in this serene setting. The gas fireplace adds coziness on those evenings with a chill in the air. With the primary bedroom and a second bedroom conveniently located downstairs, this home is perfect for multi-generational families or those looking for added privacy and convenience. Retreat to your spacious primary bedroom with a custom walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, a jetted soaking tub, and a large glass shower. The home includes 2 additional spacious bedrooms upstairs, perfect for family or guests. Nestled in the beautiful, rolling hills of Clermont, known for its stunning lake views and serene atmosphere. Just minutes away from parks, shops, restaurants, and recreational activities, including Lake Mineola and the chain of lakes with a public boat ramp and swimming. Easy access to major highways leading to Orlando attractions, airport, beaches and surrounding areas. This home is designed to provide comfort, elegance, and practicality, making it the perfect retreat for families of all kinds. Whether you're enjoying the outdoors by the pool, cooking up a feast in the chef's kitchen, or relaxing in the spacious living areas, you'll feel right at home in this stunning Clermont gem. Make this luxurious home yours today. Your dream lifestyle awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact